When we were in New Vrindavan, we spent a lot of time with nature. There's a big elephant statue and there's a peacock going around. We went on a cute little ride pulled by bullock carts. It was a slow ride. Beside our hotel room, there was a little pond and we saw swans in it. There were lots of peacocks walking with us on the temple property. We saw lots of well-maintained ponds, gardens, and many temples next to the main ISKCON temple. At the temple, they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner for everyone, but we have to stand in a long line. The food was very tasty and fresh because most of the fruits and veggies is grown in their very own gardens. There was a lotus pond and a rose garden next to the Palace of Gold. This is just a couple of kilometers away, so we just walked. On the way back, we saw so many beautiful peacocks. Some peacocks had their feathers all open. We also saw some fishies in the pond where the swans were gonna swim. The swans came out of the water and they were cleaning and picking out bugs that were stuck in their body. After the peacock walk, we went to New Vrindavan's barn and greenhouse gardens. The location is really beautiful with all the mountains and valleys. Here's the hay they store for the cows in New Vrindavan. We had the opportunity to milk a cow. My brother was really excited to milk a cow because he's never done it before. This is the greenhouse garden in New Vrindavan. These are the veggies they use to make prasadam in the temple. There was a huge old prison nearby New Vrindavan. We wanted to go in, but we couldn't because there was movie shooting inside of the old prison. On the way back, we also went to this really cool adventure park. When we were at the adventure park, we saw a really epic bike race. After the bike race, we went to a really twisty and bumpy road called Agasura. It is a very bumpy road. There are still a few pebbles stuck in our tires.